If your dishwasher shows the rinse aid symbol, it usually does not mean the machine is broken. For most people, this icon is a simple maintenance signal, but it looks like an error, so it creates unnecessary stress. Let us make it clear in plain language. In practical terms, this symbol usually means the dishwasher wants more rinse aid in its dispenser. That is the core meaning. It is typically a refill reminder, not a major fault warning. Exact icon style can vary by brand and model, but this is the most common reason the symbol appears. Rinse aid is designed to support the final rinse stage so water drains more cleanly from dishes and glassware. You do not need to memorize chemistry to use it correctly. The simple point is that rinse aid often helps reduce watermarks and improve drying results. So when the symbol appears, it usually means performance may start to drop if you ignore it for too long. Many machines will still run cycles when rinse aid is low, but you may notice more spots on glasses, slower drying, or a less polished result, especially on certain loads. That is why this icon matters. The machine can often keep working, but your final result can become less consistent. The safest next step is to check your model's rinse aid compartment and refill according to the manual instructions. Do not overfill and do not guess with unknown liquids. Use products intended for dishwasher rinse aid use and follow the dispenser guidance for your model. If the symbol stays on after proper refill and a full cycle, check your manual for model-specific behavior before assuming a fault. So the simple takeaway is this: the rinse aid symbol usually means refill attention, not a serious breakdown. If you also see the dishwasher tap symbol, that is a different type of signal and it is worth understanding next because people often mix those two up.